Ever wondered why some websites have a little padlock next to their URL? That's thanks to SSL. But what exactly is SSL and why is it crucial for your online safety? Stick around because today we're breaking down everything you need to know about SSL, how it works, why it matters, and how it can keep your data safe. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. Today we're diving into SSL, what it is, how it works, and the benefit it brings to your website. SSL isn't just for big corporations anymore. It's a must-have for any website that values security. So whether you're running a personal blog or an e-commerce store, understanding SSL is key to keeping your visitors safe. Let's start by explaining what SSL actually is. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, and it's a security protocol that encrypts the communication between a user's browser and a web server. Essentially, SSL protects sensitive information like credit card details or login credentials from being intercepted by hackers. You've probably noticed the little pad icon in the URL bar. This means the site you're visiting is protected by SSL. For example, when you shop online or log into a website, SSL ensures that your data is transmitted securely, reducing the risk of someone eavesdropping on your information. Without SSL, any data you send over the internet is vulnerable to being intercepted by malicious actors. That's why SSL certificates have become a standard requirement for websites, especially those that handle personal information. So when you hear the term SSL certificate, it's simply a digital certificate that authenticates a website's identity and enables an encrypted connection. Websites with an SSL certificate are trusted by browsers and search engines alike, giving them a boost in both security and SEO rankings. Now that you know what SSL is, let's talk about how it works. SSL uses encryption to secure the connection between a web server and a browser. When a user visits a website with SSL, the browser and server establish an encrypted link through a process known as the SSL handshake. Here's how it works in simple terms. First, the browser requests a secure connection by sending a message to the server. The server responds by sending its SSL certificate, which contains a public key. The browser then verifies the certificate's authenticity. If everything checks out, the browser and server create a session key, which is used to encrypt all the data transmitted during the session. This entire process happens in a matter of seconds, and the user doesn't even notice it's happening. Thanks to SSL, sensitive information like passwords, credit card numbers, and other personal data are securely encrypted, making it much harder for cybercriminals to steal that information. SSL is particularly important for e-commerce sites, banks, and any website handling sensitive information. With SSL, even if a hacker manages to intercept the data, they won't be able to read or misuse it. Another key advantage is authentication. SSL certificates help verify that a website is legitimate and not a phishing site attempting to steal users' personal information. By displaying the padlock icon in the browser's address bar, SSL builds trust with users, showing them that the website they're visiting is safe. Lastly, SSL also offers an SEO boost. Search engines like Google prioritize secure websites in their rankings. Websites with an SSL certificate are more likely to appear higher in search results, which can drive more traffic to your website. Plus, many modern browsers will display a not secure warning for websites without SSL, which can scare away potential visitors. With SSL being so essential for website security, you'll want to make sure your hosting provider supports it seamlessly. Rapyd Cloud offers easy SSL certificate installation so you can secure your website in just a few clicks. Our high-performance hosting ensures your website runs smoothly while maintaining top-level security. Whether you're running a small blog or a large online store, Rapyd Cloud's hosting solutions keep your website secure and your visitors' data protected. So there you have it. If your site isn't already using SSL, now's the time to make the switch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on web security and hosting. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.